We're here in LVHQ2. This is our new building. This video is really to talk about our new creation. It's been in the making ever since we started, really, probably 8 years ago. This really is something that we've wanted to create for a lot of years, but now we are. This is really what it's all about. It's subtle, not too bling, and it's what we believe you guys want. And we're really looking forward to unveiling this really cool piece of kit. This is it, guys. Take a look at this bad boy. This is poetry. This is our creation. Subtle, yet aggressive. We've achieved that gooey feeling when you look at it. This is what we create. If it doesn't make you feel good, then it's no good. This makes us feel good, and I'm pretty damn sure it's going to make you guys feel the same. Okay, I'm going to bring Adam in now. He's going to talk you through the technical features.
So, we'll run through some technical stuff, and I think let's start with the rear. Now, what we've got here is a full replacement rear bumper. So, old bumper off, new bumper on. Now, this is compatible obviously with the 6.1, and it is also compatible with the T6 as well. Now, as you can see, the top section of the rear bumper looks exactly the same, and that's going back to what Mike was saying, the OEM Plus feel. Now, going down from that, we've got this lovely diffuser which goes all the way across and also wraps around the sides and onto the bottom. Now, you can see this line here that runs around. That is almost the same sort of feel as the line under the headlights on the front bumper, which we'll run through in a second. Now, on this diffuser, this wraps around the side and recreates the splitter on the front end as well, and that has also got the same pinstripe to paint in body colour, same as the front splitter. We've also got twin exhaust tips on the rear with the little Leighton branding across them, and yeah, I mean, it just sets the van off. It looks absolutely awesome. It's 4 parts if you count the 2 exhaust tips, and it is made out of injection moulding with OEM material spec, and made in the same process as a factory bumper is anyway. And it makes the back end of the van just look miles better, because that's what it needed. Just brings it to life, and it looks awesome. With the top of the bumper being exactly the same as factory, the original reflectors clip straight in, and also this section where the tailgate closes is the exact same specs as factory, meaning our bumper protectors and any other T6 or T6.1 bumper protectors will go straight on there. So that's the rear. Let's take a look at the front. Now, this is the LV-R front end. Now, this is made up of 6 parts in total. We use all factory clips for the grille and for the corners of the bumper, and putting it together the other day was an absolute dream. It was brilliant. This is a factory grille going onto an aftermarket bumper, and the fitment was brilliant. As you can see, all the lines around the wings, the headlights are all spot on. Now, obviously, what we can see straight away is the shape of it. It's bigger, it's a little bit more aggressive without being too in your face. There's this line here, which I talked about on the rear bumper. That's a continuous theme round, so it all ties in. The splitter on the bottom, again, we've got the nice pinstripe for you to paint in body colour, and that looks awesome. Now, that is actually the same splitter that we use on the LVS chin and splitter, which I think is really cool, that it's got a multi-purpose and it all ties in, all with the same kind of feel and look. So looking at this section of the bumper here, you can see the defining lines round under the headlights, which I mentioned on the rear bumper, which just all ties it in together. And I mean, taking a step back and looking at it, we are confident that we have created a kit for a van where it looks amazing at every single angle. I mean, just look.
So what is the LV-R? The LV-R kit consists of, obviously, the front bumper, all the grills, and a full rear bumper replacement. We've created this to be OEM Plus. it should feel like it's meant to be there, not that it's an add-on. And I honestly believe that what we've done is we've created a T6.1 facelift. This is the future, guys. This is the next chapter for Leighton. We're going to be able to share our passion, not only in, obviously, the UK, but to the rest of the world. We're really, really excited about the future.